In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDT on Binance P2P. We'll walk through the process inside the Binance app so you can pay in Philippine pesos using GCash or your bank and receive USDT safely using Binance's escrow protection. Start by opening the Binance app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and have a stable internet connection so your order doesn't time out. From the home screen, tap Buy Crypto, then select P2P Trading. This takes you to Binance's peer-to-peer marketplace, where you buy directly from verified sellers while Binance holds the crypto in escrow until your payment is confirmed. On the P2P page, tap Buy, then choose USDT. USDT is a popular stablecoin that's designed to track the value of the US dollar, making it a common starting point for trading or transferring funds. Enter the amount you want to purchase in PHP. The app will show you the estimated USDT you'll receive based on the current offer, so you can quickly check if the rate fits your budget. Next, choose your payment method. Select either GCash or a supported bank transfer, whichever you already use and can fund right away. It's important to pick a payment option you can complete within the time limit shown on the order page. Now, pick a seller. Look for one with a completion rate of at least 98% or higher. A strong completion rate means the seller successfully finishes most trades. Also glance at their total number of orders, available limits, price, and average release time so you're comfortable with the offer. When you're happy with the choice, tap Buy USDT to open the order. You'll see the exact amount to pay and the seller's payment details. Send the payment to the seller using the method you selected. Always pay the exact amount and make sure the recipient details match what's shown in the order. Avoid sending to any account that's different from what's listed in-app. Once you've completed the transfer, return to the Binance order page and tap I paid, a transferred. Only tap this after the payment has been sent. This notifies the seller to check and confirm receipt. Now, wait while the seller releases your USDT. During this time, Binance keeps the crypto locked in escrow, which protects you by ensuring the seller can't withdraw it while you're paying. As soon as the seller confirms your payment, the USDT will be released to your account and will appear in your P2P or funding balance. That's it. You've successfully bought USDT on Binance P2P securely and directly using your preferred local payment method.